So welcome back, guys. Let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our Bitcoin. If there will be any, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, and make a comment. So let's zoom it out and understand the trend on our Bitcoin, so we can now predict what it will most likely do next. So this is our trend on Bitcoin. We are in a downtrend move. So if this is your low, here is your, it's seen as the lower high. This is also seen as the lower low. This can also be seen as the lower high. And here comes your higher low. This is also seen as the lower high. This here comes the higher low, and this is your lower high. So for day trade or for position traders, right? Traders that would like to their position for the next 3 months, you would want Bitcoin to eventually drop and form a new lower low, thereby taking out this previous low. So basically, for day or for long-term traders, you would want to be going in on a sell on your Bitcoin. Now, for day traders, you would want to zoom it out and make use of what market is doing. We all know, have it in mind that position traders, we make use of the main trend. Position traders and swing traders will make use of the main trend. But for day traders, you would want to make use of the current trend. So this is your main trend. Your main trend says we are on a bearish move. But your current trend, which will be used for day traders, says that we are ranging right here. So this is ranging market move. If market wants to tap this resistance, we had this drop that did out. The market came to retest it, tap this resistance and drop. Markets eventually pull back to tap this resistance, rejected and drop. Market push up again to tap this resistance, it's rejected and drop. Market eventually pull back, it's again to tap this resistance, and we had this rejection that made it drop. Now market is now pulling back up to tap this resistance. So our next movement on Bitcoin is that we should expect it to drop again. So basically, what we should be expecting on Bitcoin right now is a sell, but only hoping for the sell once you get your sell set up. Because with what market is doing right here, there's a possibility that market will give a little bit of a bullish move right here. There's a possibility that it will actually give us that bullish move again before it eventually sell and drop. So only hoping for the sell once you get your sell set up. In order for you not to miss out on any single update, click on that subscribe button now and click on the bell notification.